That is a beautiful scene as we look out from the roof of Lexington, the Lexington Financial Center, on a day where we've got about a half dozen decorator clouds in the sky, and that's it. It has been a delightful afternoon, albeit a little cooler than we'd like. We'll change that. So get your good look there as we take you up to the top of the big blue building. And there is your sun that's on the way down over the next couple of hours. Tonight there will be some frosty places that we'll have to contend with. Not everybody's going to see it, but we do have some frost advisories that are around. Little taste of Indian summer the next few days. We've had our first official frost, so we get to have Indian summer whenever it gets warm. Rain chances, there's a brush from what will likely be Nestor. That comes in for us Saturday night. And then there's a cold front early next week. That one could bring some decent rumbles of thunder along for the ride. 60 at the Bluegrass Airport. Air is dry, light west wind. That'll be dying off as we go through the day. That morning low of 37. Check in with the Kentucky Mesonet, kymesonet.org, and it's a pretty cool afternoon. Those numbers do not look correct. Upper 40s to around 50 seems a little bit chilly, so we're going to have to see if the Mesonet is up and running properly for us. So let's go ahead and advance beyond to talking about how dry we have been, or perhaps how wet we are starting to get again. Now, the thing is, the drought came on really, really fast, the flash drought. That was the buzzword du jour. Well, as quickly as something comes in, it can go away just as quickly for a lot of us. So now a good chunk of the bluegrass is now considered to be just moderately dry. We've been actually a little bit above normal. You get into southeast Kentucky, okay, we're still talking drought conditions. In fact, it gets to the extreme category in the southeast corner. You get out toward Black Mountain and the Pine Mountain area, you're seeing those dry conditions. Now we've got that ridge building over us for tomorrow. That means a milder day, still nice and dry. But again, what may become Nestor down here in the Gulf will be working its way northbound, so it'll bring tropical moisture up with it. There's going to be an upper level system coming out, and the two kind of meet somewhere in our neighborhood. Best chances for rain Saturday late into Saturday night, early Sunday will be in southeastern Kentucky, as we've got high pressure building overhead tonight. Oh, sky beautifully clear now. Winds will die off. The air is dry, so it will be getting cold for us overnight. Those clouds are pretty much non-existent. So come in a little closer here. That high continues to drift overhead tonight. As it does so, it is cool. Tomorrow, what happens is the winds turn southerly. We add some numbers to the thermometer there. There will likely be Nestor coming in as a tropical storm into the Florida Panhandle. By the way, if you are headed down to Athens, rain could be a great equalizer out there. But again, our rain chances not particularly high. And it's begun. Bill's Weather 101, our 22nd school year today at Northview Elementary School. That is in Mount Sterling. They made wonderful cookies, and here are the wonderful kids that you see. These are fourth graders over there in Mount Sterling. It's a relatively new elementary school out there, but those kids were just terrific with this edition of Bill's Weather 101. Wonderfully clear, a cold night, patchy frost. We'll drop down to the upper 30s tomorrow. Upper 60s, sunny day, warmer day, great day. We look ahead to Saturday. There's at least a minimal shower chance. By the way, court days in Mount Sterling this weekend. Low 70s Saturday, the rain chance primarily Saturday night into early Sunday. There's some warmth, and then there's some cold as well.
I want to thank you for sharing those cookies. I took one to Raina when I picked her up from school.
And they were beautiful cookies.
They were
and
beautiful.
Delicious.
I mean, they had like little sunshines and rain clouds. And
you notice there was a picture of them and not the actual cookies because they did not survive.
No, we took one. Thank you, Bill.
All right.